Now I dey tell guys, no start what you know if you finish with woman. No start what you know if you finish with woman. If you start to they buy gift for the woman, you they buy gifts every time, you go finish am. You go finish am. At first, you go dey buy the gift, for the woman, she don't go value am. Now you go surprise say that woman will not value that gift because you don't give her so much gift, you don't dey give am gift too much. The day where you go stop, you go say she will come value that gift. Naturally, if you buy gift for woman too much, she don't go value am. Understand? But her mind go dey see they expect the gift to, but she no go value am. But the day when you go stop, maybe because you notice say maybe she don't dey value my gift again, you can't stop, you don't enter wahala, or maybe money can't finish for your hand, or something could happen financially, you know, if they buy that gift, my brother, you don't enter wahala. Or every Sunday you dey support the girl with so amount of money every weekend. You understand? Now you feel they give her like 200k every weekend for upkeep and the rest of it, or even 100k, maybe we'll say 100k supporter for upkeep every weekend. My brother, now you go start am, you never marry and say if you don't go to get money for upkeep. When you marry him, you better continue the money for upkeep. Because notice say because you don't marry now, you know see they drop the money for upkeep. As they drop money for feeding money, you go drop money for upkeep too. Because now you start time, you go finish up. Shey the year I tell you so. So if you know say you no go finish something with woman, continue to do am. No start am. No just start am because you don't enter wahala. Na so women be. Women like continuity. She understand that they like you understand that they stable, they like continuity. So anything we know if you continue for woman life, no start am. She get how you talk so.